Todd, anything else you'd like to add? Any surprises in your experience, positive, negative?
Yeah, I'll just tag on to what Alex said in both respects. I think it was to be expected that we had some really talented teams out there that were going to be able to really unlock new things. We had no idea just how creative and how quickly they would move in creating visualizations and really valuable information. Far exceeded our expectations and continues to do so. I think on the other side of it, his mention of change management, I think, is always a critical one and one that's easy to overlook. That is, I guess, the best way to describe that is never assume anything. You have people that will feel like all this new great capability is a threat to their job. That's to be expected. You have people that don't appreciate how much time it's going to save them and how much they can really focus on analysis rather than gathering that information. And you have to be really careful in that change management journey to bring everyone along. We had executives that as strong as their sport was at the beginning, once they started seeing just how much information was readily accessible across the organization, they started questioning, what's our governance model? And is that the right thing to do? Are we giving people too much data? That's especially true in manufacturing as we started to create visualization around every data point in our facilities. So change management is also something that was surprisingly more difficult and continues to be so.